To my wife, 1 year, 365 days. Wow, 12 months. This including 31,536,000 seconds we have been married. Wow, time flies. What can I do or say? Nothing at all. I'm speechless at the moment. But all I can really say, I love you and I'll always love you. No matter the distance, time of day, I'll forever cherish you and love you the way you are. You are perfect in my eyes. Yes, not every moment of our is perfect, but we make it work. No matter how much arguments we have, we always manage to find each other's happiness. The past year has been a roller coaster for me, but you've been by my side since day one. November 1st, 2020, I would say was the best day of my life. I'm glad I said kubud. I knew from the beginning that I made the best choice when I married you. Looking forward to more amazing years together. Thank you for being an amazing wife to me. For the past 1 year that we have stayed together are the best year I have ever lived. Thank you for your love and care. I'll always cherish you. I'm the happiest husband in the world today and every day because I found the most adorable woman as my wife. For 1 year now, you have been everything beautiful that I can ever imagine. Your love shines in my heart like a full moon. I'm forever grateful to Allah for giving me a beautiful wife like you. I couldn't imagine how my life would have been without you. Thank you for sharing my laughter and pain with me. I love you always and forever. Everyone, please pray for us. Amin.